Hello, my name is Mikhail. I'm with OnlyOffice team, and today I will be speaking about OnlyOffice solutions and the ways we can make document editing and collaboration secure and swift in any cloud environment. At first, let me briefly introduce OnlyOffice. It is an open source project developed by Essential System SIA. Since 2010, our team, that now counts more than 170 people, is working on powerful and comprehensive online document editors. So we provide a full cycle of product development and support, including design, coding, testing, preparing technical and API documentation, and of course, professional assistance. The main focus of our project has always been document processing and collaboration. OnlyOffice Docs is a professional-grade office suite that can be used in integration with any cloud service or as a production component in a web application. There is also a full-stack office called OnlyOffice Workspace that brings together OnlyOffice Docs and a collaboration platform called Groups. OnlyOffice solutions are available in the cloud or on premises, supported by applications for personal computers and mobile devices. OnlyOffice solutions are open source. The source code for OnlyOffice Docs, Groups, and other applications can be found on our GitHub. OnlyOffice Docs comprises powerful online editors for texts, worksheets, and presentations compatible with Office OpenXML, ODF, and other popular file formats. With OnlyOffice, you get highest accuracy of display in any browser and operating system, and equal look regardless of how you work with the document, whether you are viewing it, editing, or printing. OnlyOffice is 100% what you see is what you get and adapts to any context of usage. Briefly, we can name 5 important advantages you get with OnlyOffice. It's expert level editing functionality, support for all popular formats, a seamless document collaboration, data security and control, and a deep integration into your own infrastructure. The toolbar of OnlyOffice Docs is based on tabs, combining all types of editing and formatting tools. In OnlyOffice Document Editor, you can apply all possible text formatting, customize page layout, work with complex objects, and make use of numerous third-party plugins to implement extra functionality that you may need. Some new plugin examples include Mendeley and Zotero for creating bibliographies, Google Translate, a word counter to count words and characters in the selected part of the document, text to HTML converter, Telegram chat, and typograph for quick text correction. OnlyOffice Docs allows you to create professional looking digital forms and templates. You can add different types of content controls in your forms, such as plain or rich text, pictures, combo and checkboxes, drop-down lists, and dates. And then you can share your created forms, allowing people to fill in the blanks only. It can help you greatly automate many processes in your organization. OnlyOffice Spreadsheet Editor allows you to ease and automate your calculations. You can achieve quick and accurate results by choosing amongst over 450 available functions and formulas, filter and sort cells, create pivot tables, insert objects, and of course use additional plugins. To automate common and repetitive tasks in your spreadsheets, you can create, edit, and save your own macros using JavaScript language. OnlyOffice Docs features personal sheet views for worksheets, which really helps when you're working on big spreadsheets together with your team. With OnlyOffice Presentation Editor, you can create stunning presentations using a wide selection of formatting tools, objects, and style options. You are able to create clear-cut schemes and sketches with all the shapes, add customizable charts, tables, and equations for statistics display. With Presenter View mode, you can add notes to highlight important parts of your speech and comfortably navigate through your presentation by switching to any desired slide with one simple click. Using built-in plugins, it's possible to enhance your presentations with videos and clip art elements, get a quick translation of any text, insert special symbols, edit images, and much more. OnlyOffice native formats are Office OpenXML that helps reach maximum compatibility with most of the world's documents, which are stored in DocX, XLSX, and PPTX formats, and avoid issues by format conversion. Along with Office OpenXML formats in OnlyOffice, you can work with all other popular file formats, including ODF, PDF, TXT, RTF, CSV, etc. And as for collaborative features, OnlyOffice provides you with 2 co-editing modes so that you can choose between them. You can co-edit documents in real time. In this case, all the changes are shown to your co-authors while you're typing, or you can lock a paragraph to edit it privately, and all changes will be visible after saving. OnlyOffice allows sharing documents with a single user or the whole team, providing them with different permission levels, and allows protecting specific data from unwanted attention. When you share a document granting review, command, or form filling permissions, users can't actually edit it, but only perform certain actions. You can also restrict copying, downloading, and printing of your documents. Custom filter permission in spreadsheets allows holding the data you don't want to show before sharing your spreadsheets, and also allows users to apply filters without affecting the initial worksheet. To notice even a tiny change in similar files, you can make use of document comparison. So you can suggest changes and review ones made by other collaborators, view version history as well, and select and restore a previous documents version with a simple click. Communication with several co-authors, writing editors, built-in chat, or use a special plugin that allows you to connect your Telegram account to chat with your Telegram contents. What's more, you can leave comments to any part of the document and mentions in these comments to tag other users and invite them for a collaboration. What's important while working on the same document and on the same server, each user can activate any feature or choose any mode independently of other users. This freedom of editing for each user is achieved since the document processing was moved to the client side. The recent version 6.3 features improvements across all 3 editors. The major updates here are the doc theme, 150% scaling option to support wider diversity of screens, named smaller screens especially, manual password protection in online editors, new types of charts, new formats, guest names, and many more improvements. With OnlyOffice, all operations are accessible from anywhere via browsers, desktop clients, and mobile apps. OnlyOffice uses one engine for all editors, which guarantees an easy switch between environments depending on your circumstances. Desktop suite that looks and feels similar to the online version thanks to its local operation has a range of perks additional to editing functionality. It is possible to connect your own cloud, Nextcloud, and cFile to the app, or use our API to connect other services. Mobile apps for Android and iOS allow online and device document management, document editing and online collaboration. Via WebDAV protocol, you can connect it to your cloud storage of choice. So OnlyOffice, we do our best to provide a comprehensive level of security for online document editing and collaboration. OnlyOffice comes with built-in features to help you stay compliant with HIPAA and GDPR privacy regulations. What's more, as a part of NetExplorer solution, which is widely used by healthcare professionals, OnlyOffice Docs has been certified with ISO 27001 standard for information security and HDS. Our solutions keep your services and all assigned data completely within your physical perimeter. You can deploy OnlyOffice on your own server or in any data center of your choice. Restriction of actions using flexible document permissions that I mentioned before will make you sure your files are protected from corruption and loss of contents. This server level of data protection in OnlyOffice is implemented, among with other things, with Jude that protects documents from unauthorized access and the limited cache lifetime also. Encryption in transit allows encrypting your traffic using HTTPS protocol. And it's also important that no user data is stored on OnlyOffice server. OnlyOffice Docs for enterprises are fit to more serious demands in security, scaling, and technical assistance of multiple levels. OnlyOffice allows building a cluster to run OnlyOffice Docs. There is no limit for number of users, so it's possible to run a cluster of any capacity, which can be extended at any time. There are 3 possible ways to use OnlyOffice Docs. You can use it as part of OnlyOffice Workspace. In this case, you get a complete productivity solution. It's also possible to use OnlyOffice Docs within any sync and share or DMS platform, or you can build the editors into your own solution. OnlyOffice Workspace is a bundle of web apps designed to handle multiple processes, document editing and real-time co-authoring, managing files, projects, customers, mail, and calendars, and building diversified communication hub. Now, various productivity tools such as mail projects, CRM, multi-format media player, Gantt chart, time tracking, reports, calendars, chat, blogs, forums, and polls, and other ensure greater team workflow. OnlyOffice Docs can be integrated in various productivity solutions and content management applications. This, in turn, allows you to create, open, and collaborate on your documents right within any platform you already use. Using the integration apps, you can bring professional document editing and collaboration to the sharing platform you use. Depending on the platform's own perks and the work with this code, it's possible to achieve even more. For example, in Nextcloud, you can collaborate between federated clouds, make use of Nextcloud side panel by editing and chat and instantly share documents, browse version history, apply watermarks, and force save your documents. Among the latest improvements, there is a view mode for viewing, file previews, collaboration in Nextcloud mobile apps, and direct editing in Nextcloud desktop. Among the latest improvements, there is also a recently added feature such as document templates available with the integration app version released in April. Federated cloud collaboration is also available for on-cloud users. Besides there, you have full range of advanced sharing permissions, version history, and ability to use OnlyOffice in on-cloud online and on-cloud infinite scale. Creation of document templates is another new feature that has been added for OnCloud. There are two integration apps that we have launched in the last months. First, OnlyOffice Now is available for Nuxio, from Nuxio Marketplace to integrate collaborative editors into Nuxio, an open source enterprise and content management platform. Same goes for Shamilo, which is not only an ECM but also an e-learning environment with over 11 million users around the world already. The third opportunity to use OnlyOffice Docs is to embed it into your own solution. Here we offer a lot of advantages for developers. Thanks for well-documented integration API, OnlyOffice Docs can be smoothly integrated into a web solution written into any programming language. A white label option allows to deliver OnlyOffice Docs under your own corporate brand. Finally, the family of OnlyOffice users counts over 7 million users worldwide, with numerous major companies coming from finance, law, medicine, education, research, and government administration. We can't wait to tell you more about OnlyOffice Docs, and OnlyOffice Workspace can help you in your particular case in person. So don't hesitate to contact our sales or partnership specialists. And thank you so much for your attention. Please feel free to ask any questions, and you can of course always reach out by email regarding sales and partnerships. Thank you.